Your brain holds nearly 86 billion neurons.
Neurons communicate with electricity. Each signal travels as a pulse of energy, firing in milliseconds to send commands across the brain and body. At each synapse, chemical messengers leap across microscopic gaps, turning electrical signals into thought, memory, and motion. The brain is divided into two hemispheres. The left focuses on logic and language, while the right is the brain is divided into four lobes. The frontal lobe handles planting, the parietal senses touch. The frontal lobe guides decisions. From solving problems to controlling impulses, this region shapes planning, judgment, and focus. The parietal lobe builds your sense of the world. It processes touch, pressure, and space. The hippocampus is your memory vault. It records experiences, organizes them, and helps retrieve them when needed. Short-term memory holds information for seconds or minutes. The hippocampus transfers the most important. The amygdala is the brain's alarm system. It reacts to threats in an instant. The limbic system is the brain's emotional core. It shapes feelings, bonds, and memories. In dreams, the subconscious takes over. The brain sorts memories, tests scenarios, and explores emotions while the body rests. Creativity emerges when different brain networks connect. Sparks of insight link logic and imagination, producing ideas that shape the world. Focus comes from networks linking the frontal and parietal lobes. These pathways narrow attention. The cerebellum fine-tunes movement. It coordinates balance, posture, and rhythm, ensuring every step is smooth and precise. Story. The brainstem is the foundation of life. It controls basic functions like heart rate, breathing, and sleep cycles. When faced with danger, the brain activates the fight or flight response. Your subconscious makes decisions milliseconds before you are aware of them. The hippocampus acts as the brain's librarian, converting experiences into memories. It links emotion. The limbic system is the brain's emotional core. From fear to joy, it drives reactions that. The prefrontal cortex is the seat of logic and judgment. It weighs risks, plans ahead, and shapes the decisions that define your path. The brain is plastic, constantly reshaping its circuits. Learning, memory, and. The brain is plastic, able to rewire itself. Every lesson, every habit, every creativity arises when the brain links ideas in new ways. Sparks of imagination transform thoughts into art, innovation, and discovery. Language is the bridge between thought and expression. Wernicke's area gives words meaning, while Broca's area shapes them into speech.
During sleep, the brain repairs itself, clears toxins, and strengthens memory. Rest.
When danger strikes, the amygdala triggers fight or flight.
As the brain ages, speed may slow, but wisdom grows. Connections shaped.
When brain circuits misfire, disorders emerge, from depression to epilepsy. Deep within the limbic system, emotions are born.
Learning rewires the brain. Each new skill or fact strengthens connections, proving that the brain grows with every challenge accepted. Focus is the brain's spotlight. The prefrontal cortex filters distractions, directing attention to what truly matters in the moment. The cerebellum fine-tunes movement and balance. It links mind to body, keeping every step, gesture, and motion precise and controlled.
The future connects brain and technology.
Stress activates the amygdala, triggering survival responses. Short bursts sharpen focus. Creativity sparks when the brain connects distant regions. Ideas flow like neon lightning, turning imagination into innovation. The brain thrives on proper fuel. Omega-3s, antioxidants, and steady glucose flow keep neurons sharp,